Tokkong Home Service. Service anytime, anywhere. How to use as a vendor. Step 1. Upload your business details. Step 2. Choose the services that you provide. Step 3. Set your status to Ready to Work and await for customers' requests. Step 4. You can view the customer's request and call them if you need more information. Remember to check the location of the customer to make sure you can get there in time. Step 6. Accept the customer's request and give your quotation. Step 7. Customize your quote and be sure to check your pricing and your connection fee. Step 8. Once the customer accepts your quote, locate the customer and start your service. Step 9. Once you finish your service, set your price in your invoice as per agreed. Just click submit and you will receive payment from your customer. That's it, so easy! Tokkong Home Service. Service anytime, anywhere.